Hi dears, observe this question, very interesting and easy of course. The ratio of the number of girls to boys in class 8 is same as the ratio of the number of boys to girls. Girls to boys is equal to boys to girls. Okay, fine. No problem. In class 9th, the total number of students, boys and girls in class 8th and 9th is 450 and 360 respectively. If the number of girls in class 8th and 9th is the same, okay, then the number of girls in class is, each class is, actually we have two categories, class 8th and 9th, right? In class 8th, what is the strength we have? Class 8th strength is, I think 450, according to given information, 450. Class 8 is 450, don't confuse. Class 8th is 450. Okay, total strength is what? 450. Nice. Then what about class 9th? Class 9th strength will be 360. Okay, but in these two classes, so we don't know the number of boys and girls individually, but there is a clue. What is that clue? Class 8th boys and girls ratio is very important, right? What is the given condition? The ratio of the number of girls to boys. Okay, let us know that this is G and B. Okay, in class 8 is equal to the number of boys to girls in class 9. Okay, we need to go for boys to girls. Okay, logically the ratio is interchanging, right? Nothing is there. The ratio is interchanging. Nothing is there, right? Okay, fine. Finally, one more task is there. What is that? If the number of girls to class 8 and 9 is same, okay, girls will be equal in both classes. According to that information, we need to find the number of girls in each class. Very easy question. Of course, for your comfort, I can go for the general approach. Better to go through the options. The best way is what? Better to go through the options. But before that, we need to develop our intelligence. I mean, knowledge, right? So we need to gain knowledge. That's my intention. That's why you can go for the general approach first. Not general approach, for your comfort. Okay? Right. Observe. Here 450 members, boys and girls together, right? If I know girls, let us assume that it is G. Then what about boys? Boys can be 450 minus girls. Come again. X plus y is equal to 50 for our comfort. If x is 10, then what about y? 50 minus 10, right? In the same way, if I assume the girls as G, boys can be 450 minus G. We need to subtract girls to get boys. That's it. Okay, good. Girls can be here. Girls can be G. Boys can be 450 minus G. This is a basic concept. The same here also. Girls can be same G. Then what about boys? Boys can be 360 minus G. 360 minus G. Girls and boys strength. Girls, boys. Girls, boys. Clear cut story. But what is the clue we have? Here we need to equate boys and girls ratio. That's it. Girls is to boys is equal to boys is to girls. Here boys will be 360 minus G. Here boys will be 450 minus G. That's it. Nothing is there. Single step answer, but be careful. Good. I can go for girls is to boys. Means be careful. G by what of the strength now? 450 minus G is equal to, we need to equate to boys is to girls, not girls is to boys. The given condition what? Girls is to boys is equal to boys is to girls. That's why in the place of boys, what you can put? 360 minus G by boys, by girls, G. That's it. This is the basic thought. Nothing is there. Girls is to boys is equal to boys is to girls. 8th class, girls is to boys is equal to 9th class, boys is to girls. Just equate it, we get G value. I want G value. Of course, here we have one more condition. What is that condition? Number of boys is equal. In both classes, girls will be common. That's why I can go for only G. I want G, that's it, right? Just multiply directly. G into G square. Come on. G square is equal to, for your comfort only, don't confuse me. G square is equal to, of course, big story is there, don't confuse. 360 minus G into 450 minus G. Okay, G square is equal to, don't confuse, very easy. G square is equal to 360 into 450, don't multiply now. 360 into 450, first term. right? Of course, you will have calc, you not to worry. After that, 360 into g will be minus 360 g. 360 two times. Okay, after that g. Minus g into 450 minus 450 g. G into g will be minus into minus plus g square. Yes. Logically, there is no value for g square, right? G square and g square will be cancelled. That's it. Okay, fine. Now I can go for g, right? 360 minus 450 can be 810, I think. 360, yes. 810 g will be here. So final step is what? 810 g is equal to 360 into 450. So what is g? Each class strength of girls. That's it. You got the answer. 0 0 gun. I can go for 9 table. 9 9s are 9 5s are the same way. 9 1s are 9 4s are 4 5s are 4 means of 40 times, right? 40 into 5 will be 200. That's it. Answer will be 200. Okay. Number of girls in each class will be 200. That is a basic thought for your comfort. Then why can't you go for option process? Of course, you can go for the option process also. Answer is 200. Okay, fine. If I go for 150, if I go for 150 as girls in each class, so logically we cannot get the answer for sure. Actually, according to options, how to observe it? That's my perception. You got the points, right? Need not to worry. Fine. According to options, if I choose 150, for an example, for your comfort, 8th class and as well as 9th class, right? Don't confuse. If I choose through options, if I take girls 150 here, then what about boys? Girls 150, boys will be remaining according to 8th class strength. What is the total strength of 8th class? 450. Remaining will be 300, right? Yes. 150 is to 300 will be girls is to boys. Then what about here? The girls can be, we need to go for boys and girls, right? Girls will be same one. Why? Because what is the common value as given? The strength of the girls will be common. I mean same in both classes. That's why I can take girls value as what? 150 only. Take it as 150. 150 is what? Girls value. What about boys? Out of 360, the boys will be 110, right? So 110. Not 110, 210 I think so. 360, right? Total strength is 360. Don't worry. Okay, 210. So, but the ratio should be equated, right? Girls is to boys should be equated to boys is to girls. If it is matching, happily you can find we can choose the options, right? Okay, observe it now. 0 0 gun, 15 ones are 15 twos are 1 is to 2. Here we need to get same 1 is to 2 only. But logically it is not possible. 3 sevens are 3 5 7 is to 5. Illogical. So 150 is not correct. Yes or no? Then only you can go for 200 for your comfort. Okay, if I go for 200. Okay, don't confuse, okay? 200, 8th class, girls can be 200. So 200 girls, boys will be remaining 250. So what is the ratio of boys and girls and boys? Girls and boys of 8th class, don't confuse. 8th class. According to options, you can decide, that's my perception. Or else you can go for this procedure. Choice is yours. Okay, fine. I believe you can go for 50 table, right? 54s are, 55s are, as we are getting 4 is to 5 are. Girls is to boys ratio. The same way we need to get boys is to girls ratio as 4 is to 5 only in 9th class. Don't confuse. Okay, fine. If I assume girls should be equal, right? That's why out of 360 girls will be, but girls will be second step. First step should be boys, right? Okay. Out of 360, 200 girls, remaining 160 boys, right? Here 160 boys, not girls. But why? Because the ratio should be matched, right? The same way. Come on. What about girls value? Remaining will be 200. Why? Because we should take same values, right? 0 0 is gonna answer 4 is to 5. Yes, it is matching. 4 is to 5. Girls is to boys ratio is equal to 4 is to 5. Boys is to girls ratio. It is matching. That's why, according to second options, your answer will be 200. This is the basic concept. General approach and basic concept. Of course, logical approach is also there. That will be discussed in percentage topic. Ratio and proportion topic will be there. In that we will discuss it later. Need not worry. But my perception is what? Knowledge and relief. Of course, IQ level will be there. There's another issue. Anyway, now we can go for the next question.